Hey everybody, it's been a while, haven't filmed a video for quite some time again. Got busy, as always, can't help myself. So I'm here today. I've been dragged myself to the yard that we use for our storage in Auckland here. So come to pick up a concrete trailer that I'm using tomorrow for a consulting job. So while I was here, I thought, what better time to put the tripod out and film a quick video of my van setup. I've had a lot of questions recently and people asking about the van setup and how they can do their own builds and if I can help. So thought I'll do a new video separate to my other one I have on my YouTube channel. A little bit faster, less time so you can watch it faster and yeah, skip to the good stuff. So I'm going to run you through all the drawers, everything I've got stacked in there, and do my best to showcase it all, but there will be little hidden bits and bobs that you probably won't notice until other videos. So yeah, enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and be sure to message me on Instagram if you want any advice or tips on building it and things like that, as I'm faster responding there. So run you through it now, and yeah, let's take into the video. So when we come up to the back of the van, it's quite a cool looking setup. So I've got locking drawers on the front that are keys, so they lock those at night, and then I've also got a drawer at the top here which I built in the last video. So purely lock boxes down the bottom for tools, and then the top is all my glues, fixings and whatnot. So that kind of gives me three areas where I can slide it out, get what I need, and then leave this area for my drop saw stand, little step ladder, levels, broom, tripod for my laser, and so on. So when I pull this out, I'll show you this first. I added whiteboards, which I thought was quite a cool idea, to the front and sides. So whenever I use something out of the front, out of this drawer, I'll replace it, or I'll write down bathroom silicone or whatever I use, masking tape or whatnot. And I find it really useful having the side as well. So on the sides I'll write jobs that we're going to go visit, and addresses and things, so it's just easier not to forget. So coming in here, you can see it's pretty well stacked. I've got all types of glues, silicons, tapes, there's pins in there, there's paintbrushes, all sorts. So drill bits and staple guns and whatnot. So that's quite a cool little drawer that I wish I'd done earlier. So yeah, and I use that every day, so that one's awesome. So that's just a quick do-up I did in one of my last videos. So that locks away, doesn't have a key or anything, but I just shut that to stop it sliding in and out into the back of the van door. So anyway, we'll come to the big drawer now, and super cool sliders. They slide up nice and easy, pretty effortless. And yeah, here we go. So in here I've got pretty well stacked all your kind of bigger tools. So I've got nail gun, rotary laser, battery vacuum, new 40 volt Makita drop saw, which I'm going to do a video on soon. Awesome tool, probably my favourite tool in the van currently. Alongside thin guns, blower, saber saw, peerless laser, battery planer, all sorts of things. So that drawer is probably the heavier side of things, but these drawers just absolutely smash it. I can kind of put all my weight on the end of it, and it only just flexes a little bit due to the weight in the middle. And then you come down the side here, and when I built this van setup, I designed it so that these Makita stackable boxes fit pretty snug into the drawer. So what that meant was I could keep this as narrow as possible, giving me more space here. So awesome convenience of this setup. So I've got things like two battery concrete drills down the bottom. One's 40 volt, one 18. And we've got this empty at the moment. All the batteries on charge at home, but multi-tool, 40 volt grinders in there. We've got aluminium cutting skillies, sanders, all sorts in the box down the bottom. My two screw saws at easy reach, and then my router alongside with masks and things underneath. So everything's got its position in this van. Every day after work I'll pack it away myself and make sure it goes into the right place. Being so stacked and so full, as you can see, if it doesn't go in the right place, it just creates a mess and it basically just doesn't fit. So it does take a while to pack away, but I think when you know where everything is as far as your work and jobs you're doing, it just speeds you up heaps. Pretty effortless, a little bit of a little bit more friction than used to be, just being older. I've had these drawers for about at least 2 years now, I believe, or coming on 2 years. So I come over here and I've got my Makita vacuum sitting on top of my DeWalt table saw. So this door is really cool. It's pretty loaded, only just fits as far as the height, so you can't really fit anything else up there. But just put this in this evening here, so all my quick grip Jorgensen clamps tuck away nicely, and run down the side of the box where I keep my gumboots, little spades and things, submersible pump and all that. So these clamps are quite good. We've got rain jacket, and waterproof pants all tuck in there nicely so they don't get lost. They have their position as well, alongside hand saws, power boxes, little bits and bobs. So we've got all my long drill bits and things, and a tarpaulin actually tucked under there, so if I ever need any cover or create a dry spot for my tools, that's there. Haven't really grabbed it out very often, but it's just in winter, it's safe to have it. Come over this side, and tucked away I keep a magnet, a bunch of crowbars and things, which is awesome. Yeah, I think everything I've done in this van has set me up to run jobs efficiently and do things faster than what you could if you're just rummaging around trying to find things all the time. So it's all about efficiency in the trade and trying to make sure that the least downtime as possible. So over this side I've just walked around to the driver's side. I also have another drawer set up, and I'll turn the camera around. So I've got 3 aprons in here. One's a main building apron. I've got a finishing apron and also a scaffold, kind of just one pocket apron just for minor things. So all my hand tools and things, a lot of things tucked away in there, with my bevel, drill bits, spade bits, everything crescents. So nice little drawer there. Just lock it away with a nail, so it's pretty basic. Works though, so it's all good. Down the bottom here I've got a few more boxes tucked away. Hole saw kit, we've got drill, jib cutter, there's a couple flashlights in that first box, and then I've got a Makita track saw right at the back there with the Milwaukee first aid kit sitting on top, and then my table saw stand. So that slots away nicely next to my small clamps and leaves me a little bit of extra space down the bottom there for other jackets I'm wearing or whatever bits and bobs I'll just throw around. So hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if there's anything you want a more in detail explanation on, things like that. And yeah, I'll just do one last walk around, turning the camera around, and hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. I'm going to try to make some more soon. I am slowing down quietly with work just to get on top of things, but see what happens. It is a crazy business. It is a crazy time. Everyone's got money to spend on their homes at the moment with the whole pandemic, so pretty flat out. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.